how to cancel an order on Redbubble. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can cancel an order on Redbubble. Alright, so how do you cancel an order? The first step is to log in into your Redbubble account, alright? And once you're logged in, you will go to your own page where you would see the Redbubble logo, and then by the time you scroll down, you'll see beautiful, awesome products that you can get on Redbubble, and also art that you can use as a means of inspiration to even produce your own. Now, the next thing you must notice that to cancel your full order and receive a refund, you have just 2 hours after placing your order. Okay, so that means that after placing an order, if it's already more than 2 hours, you will no longer be able to, you'll be able to cancel the order, but you no longer get a refund. And what is the essence? All right, so ensure that you do this within 2 hours. So once you made an order and then you realize that you made a mistake or you no longer want the order, just scroll down to the lowest or the last part of the page and then click on the contact us option. Once you click on the contact us option, you'll be taken to the contact us page. On this page, select contact support now, and then you'll be redirected to Redbubble customer service, where you can just make a request by scrolling down, and then the lower part of the screen you can just submit a request, and within 48 hours from information on how you can go about the refund will be brought to you, and you'll be able to get your money back. Or you can just type out the question you put here, asking them how you can cancel your order, or declaring your status about how you want to cancel your order, state your reasons, and from there you'll be directed the one to do. So this is how you can cancel your order on Redbubble. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.